welcome back to Axion Token. So the auction's just finished, as you can see here, and we're just waiting for that. It's already flipped over, so we've already got 0 in the pool, so that's pretty neat. Let's just refresh that one more time, and we'll see what the auction 9 has to do in terms of final resolve. And here we are, we've got 7196657 at 8.84 Ethereum in the pool. So well done, congratulations to everybody who got that, plus a 10% bonus if you use the link below. That's the 22nd, so that was the 9th auction. We just started the 10th auction, which has got 9.783499 in it, so just under 9.8 million, and that's just started. So you can see that up here, that's just started. The starting auction price is 2,058,000, so 20% higher than the Uniswap price at the moment, which is currently at 1.7 million Axion per ETH. So that's how that's played out. Now let's have a quick look at. I just want to point out actually something before we move on, is that the share rate. Don't forget that's going up. So best deal is to get your stakes in early and get this share rate. So if you, let's say you put 50,000 in and you want to put it in for 350 days. Or whatever, you've got to get that share rate, because share rate's going up, so you're going to get less shares. See how that's less? It's no longer 1-to-1. Plus, longer pays better, so that's approximately 20% per year. So every year you add on another 20% up to 5 years. So remember, that's really important to get all the benefits, and obviously passing big payday. So really cool. Let me just jump to the new charts that I've done. So you can see all the chart histories all the way from auction 1 to 9, including the mega auction here. I might just highlight that in nice colour there. So including the mega auction. So it ended up just under 8 million, of course, and the final amount based on Gecko goods is just under 1.9 million Axion per ETH was on the. So that's super successful. That was way better than the Uniswap, which was currently at that time about 1.2 million per ETH. So that was successful from that point of view. It was undersubscribed from the total amount of 14.2 billion Axion, but of course that gets overflow, and I estimated that about 3.3 billion was paid out to the people that put 1,803 Ethereum in there, and that there was probably a rollover of about 10.8 billion, and that seemed to have gone into the following week. So if we go back to here, we can see that the upcoming weekly auction, the upcoming weekly auction is 11.7 billion. Okay, so that's 11.7 billion, and that's how much it is. So that looks like it's including most of that 10.8 billion. So that's pretty neat. Now let's just jump to the charts again. So here are the charts, the averages. These are the actuals. So these are the ratios, and obviously in the mega auction, it was over, so undersubscribed, where all the others were oversubscribed, and so the actual result is what they actually got, and you can see that here's the ratios here. So you can see the mega auction was really good. So the next week's mega auction will be exciting too. People have talked about the fact that there's probably a lot of ETH sitting on the sides as people wanted to watch the first mega auction. So that's really interesting to see. And of course we closed today, day 9, with the 814,000. That, and then obviously this day, this 197 included that 50 ETH that accidentally sniped over from the mega day. So that's really interesting to see. Here's the total amount of ETH, okay, that's entered. So obviously the mega day was massive. And remember, 20% goes to the team as profits to run the project and pay salaries, etc. And the other 80% goes straight, as it goes into the auction, it goes into market buys and on Uniswap. Now here's, so these are the auction days, okay, that one there's got the dates. These are auction days, and this is a log scale, so you can see it's got a base of 10, so that's so I can include the mega auctions, okay. So you can see that these amounts here, I actually put the amounts in, but that's 16.7 million, and then that's 14.2 billion. So it gives you just a log scale from that. You compare day to day. So hopefully that's easy enough to follow. Let's have a quick look at price. A lot of people are upset about price. Obviously, it's come down from here, so let's have a quick look at that. We've got it came down all the way down 64%, and that was over 3 days. And then obviously it's now at 52%, so it's actually come up. So that's really neat. So that's not too bad. You can see these blue lines are Bollinger Bands, so they're a way of tracking the averages. And once it gets there, it's sort of tightening up now at this stage. I do note that we started off before the mega auction at 0.0024, and now we're actually got a slightly higher high, 0.0028. And earlier today, you can see there was a big pump that came in. That was really exciting, and it almost got to 0.004 again, and then pulled back and selling, and now it's on a slow rise again. So this is looking pretty good. We'll just have to see how it goes with track sideways from here, but I'm expecting it to go up a little bit, and then maybe track sideways, pull back a little bit, and then we could be on another move upwards. So pretty exciting days. Remember, it's only day 10 we've just started in the auction, so pretty cool. Let's have a quick look at Uniswap liquidity. We've got 1.8 million. I'm actually just going to refresh this to make sure I've got the latest figures, so let's bear with me on this one. So we've looked at the auction, we've looked at the price, we're looking at liquidity now, $1.9 million, that's slightly up. Volume for 24 hours, 3.8 million US dollars, and we've got 2.75 billion Axion in the pool versus 1600 ETH in the pool. So we can have a look at those volumes. Obviously they pulled back a bit, especially with the price going down. Let's have a look at the ETH to Axion price on here. We can see that it was really low here. Once again, it's following that price again, and so we've been up. It was as high as almost 2 million per ETH, but it's obviously the price has increased slightly from there, so that's a good sign. I want to quickly look at if we look back at the Axion price with this big pull up and pull down, we can see that on Hex they have these all the time. 1, 2, 3, and this is all just on Uniswap. So in the previous one they had previous ones as well. So you can see it's on Hex has had a similar price pattern to Axion. So nothing to scream about, and we're still only on day 10, and there are some buying action involved. So you've got people coming in, and that's pretty neat. So once again, finally this auction, we've got how much we got here? We've got just under 9.8 million. If you want to get a 10% bonus on top of that, hit the link below, support this channel, and just hook up your MetaMask wallet, put in the Ethereum that you want, and you can get the 10% bonus. Click send, and that will process in here, and then it will later show up under my bets, and then when the auction's over, it should open up a sign to withdraw. And then it will go to staking for 14 days before you can would do anything else with it, restake or whatever you want to do. Once again, that's 10% bonus. It's pretty neat. Now, the other thing is just make sure that you watch the Uniswap price versus the auction price to make sure that you get the best deal for you. Very important. So if an auction's oversubscribed, you may want to think twice, of course. So just leave that up to you. That's your decision. And that's about it for today. So hopefully that helps. I'm going to try and do more live streams and some specialty topics, and I'll get back to you on that one. So hope you enjoyed this. Started the day auction 10. I will catch you at the end of it in 24 hours, and I'll see you then. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell notifications for more, and onwards and upwards. Cheers.